Hey guys, this is KidCrazer14, and today I'm here at the Hudson River, or close to it, not too far away. There's this rail line here, and leads up to this railroad crossing. And today, or this morning, look at that beautiful moon. But anyways, this crossing right here, we scheduled this perfectly. There is going to be an Empire Service passenger train from Amtrak come by this line, entering this crossing. It'll be blowing its horn. I'm really excited. So I'm listening for the train horn, and I'll get ready to record this thing. This is exciting. No, guys, that is not a steam train right there. I can assure you, that is not a steam train. Because I swear to God, you will never see a steam train here in New York. It's really sad, actually. Yeah, I think I'm about ready to see this thing go by, so I'll come back to you. It's coming, guys! It's coming! Yes! It's coming! Yes! We did it, Mom! We did it! Woo! Oh my God! That was awesome! Oh, that was the best! That was the best! I'm shaking with excitement right now! That was awesome! Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm really happy right now.